We've just got back with buying a Siberian tiger. So what we'll do is we'll take him into the house in a minute and let him meet the dogs. See you in a minute.
Right, we've just come back from the auction. We bought this Siberian tiger from there just for our big German Shepherd to see what he does. Hopefully this is going to be funny. My wife's going to go out and get him now with our other little German Shepherd. Right, here we go. Sweet. Well, that was a waste of, how much was that tiger? 40 quid?
Yeah.
That was a waste of 40 quid. Things we do for our pets. Mia, what's that? What's that, Mia? What's that? What's this? No, she don't give a crap either.
Wasn't bothered in the slightest. What's that? Is that your new friend? That's it. Is that your new friend? You brought in loads of muddy paws. That's nice.
That's it, tiger's meant filthy. Oh well, that was, yeah.
That was disappointing, but never mind.
40 quid.
Hope you like this short content.
We've got as pissed as a fart on 40 quid.
Please give it a like, subscribe, share, you know what to do.
I mean, I will get pissed for spending 40 quid.
We'll see you next time. This weren't boat related, so we're just waiting for the boat to be finished. We're getting it painted, as you know, in previous episodes. So see you soon. Bye for now.
40 quid that the boat ain't getting.
Oh, big candle.
What's it, Max? What's it? Get him. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Get him. Get him, Max. Get him.
Kill it.
Shake it. Shake it. There you go. Shake it. What's he got? What you got? He's barking at you. Alright, it's enough now. Wait, it's enough. Good boy, it's enough.